In there. Wow, it's always busy, this restaurant. How are you? Whee! So if you want a cheap price, come and see this man here down this little ribeye, strip loin, some ladies' dresses, all the long bags as well in here. Really important. Wow, nice. Some decor stuff in the boxes there. At the front here, I'm not super busy in there neither. As well in there. Bags and things in there. Many inside there. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7:30 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So the street of Jalan Sahadewa here in the Legian area of Bali is a very popular tourist street. You'll find a few hotel accommodation options. I think I've actually featured all of the hotel accommodations on this street in videos. She'll add all the links in the description for you. Quite a nice collection of restaurants and bars also. Lots of tourist goods shopping on the street. Massage and spa, tattoo studios. You name it, you'll just about find it all on the street of Jalan Sahadewa. So in tonight's video, my starting point is going to be where the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane, meets the street of Jalan Melestay, and I'm going to walk all the way along, taking in all of the hotel accommodation options, all of the shops and everything along the way through to where the street meets the street of Jalan Padma. So without any further ado, let's go and take a night stroll here in Legian. Okay, so this is a start point for this evening's video. This is actually the street of Jalan Melestay. Go to the pub of Melestay. This way leads you down to Legian beach area, Sheppy's bar, the Gojek drivers and things here. So this is the street we're going to be heading along in tonight's video, Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. And this is where we're going to head now. So we have the Steakhouse Legian Steak Project here. Tourists just bobbing in there. Dinner done right. Just take you and have a look in here. Got a garden type setting just in there. So it has an upstairs seating area as well there. Just show you some of the steaks available. Prime cuts, ribeye, strip loin, tenderloin. Specialty cuts also. So the tourists going in there now. I'm going to head across here now. A few tourist goods shops here. Some of the funny t-shirts. If I'm drunk, it's her fault. Some Bali bags and things of that nature. Hello. Lots of handbags and things here. Many in there. Chloe tote bag. It's just packing up now. Some sarongs and things here. Kids' clothing. Mum's clothes next door. And then we're going to head along the street here now. Lots of tourist goods shops. Have one with sports shirts on that side. Have one on this side. We have down here as well. We have Addy's Inn. I featured this in a video. I shall have the link in the description for you. It's just down there. Some sunglasses here. Lots of it's okay, yeah? Lots of ladies' handbags as well in here. Louis Vuitton. Very nice collection in there. It's got many inside. Lots of the running shoes and trainers and things as well. Wow, nice. Nice big collection of running shoes there. More next door, more handbags and things again. Fixed price, it says on the window there. A friend's shoe shop made to order. Some nice looking sandals and things here. Louis Vuitton again. Any colourful ones. Some nice looking boots as well in there. Some nice ones along there. Many inside. Some leather strap ones here. Birkenstock here. Okay, just carrying on, we have lots more shops again with handbags and things here. How are you, brother? You good? Sunglasses. Oh, rosemary bar. Looks as though it's actually closed at the moment, as though it's having a renovation. Normally the guy out here giving us entertainment. Something. And then there's a Rosemary restaurant and bar, and then just along this side street here we have Wayan's House Legian. I've featured this in a video. It's just down that side street there. Renovation there. Have a money changer across the street there. A shop. We have the Garlic Lane restaurant and bar here. Customers there. It's a husband daycare centre, it says up above there. Husband daycare, yeah? Just continue on along the street here. Hollywood Optic. How do you know? We have Yours, Ours Bar, Restro here as well. Wow. Just got stopped by some people that recognise me from the channel. A Circle K convenience store here. This is one of the only shops left now, maybe in Bali, that you can buy DVDs. Have the Gojek jackets, System of a Down, collection of t-shirts and things on the wall there. Some here. And this is one of the only ones that still has the DVDs. One Piece is 15,000, 450. Many. One of the only places left with DVDs now. Okay, just continuing on from there now. Healing Bliss. Oh, that was a spa and massage. Now it's changed into a handbag shop here. Some of the handbags and things in there. Many inside there. We have Billy's 69 bar across the street here. Lots of handbags and trainers shops popping up here. Jura shop. This is Billy's 69 bar. Just give you a look in. We don't want to go and disturb the customers. Look inside there. A few along the front here as well. It's quite busy actually inside of there. Billy's Bar and Restaurant, Billy's 69 bar. How are you, brother? You good? Good. Some ladies' clothing here. Have Island Cafe and Brunch here. Seating area inside. There is a customer to my right, but I don't want to point the camera on them. A couple of customers there. We have the Legend Bar and Restaurant here. We have Chubby Rabbit here. Let's go and take you and show Chubby Rabbit. So this is the Chubby Rabbit. Nobody in here at the moment. Wall. There's the Chubby Rabbit. This is going to be the Legend. Some people at the front here. Not super busy in there neither. Wow. Very quiet on the street tonight. We have Pulu Bar and Grill there. Oi, 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 good day, good price, good quality. And some businesses down here as well. Some are already closed. Rung ULL. Tattoo Studio, Rung ULL is here. It's already closed, this one. We have a money exchange here. This is a no rip-off, no commission, honest money exchange. Can I show you rates, yeah? Show the rates on the board. Good place to change your money. This is an authorised money changer here. Come and see this guy here. Thank you, brother. We have the Pulu Bar and Grill here. Very, very quiet there as well. Wow. Very quiet night on Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So we have Queen Evil here. This is like a home decor shop. Lots of the tourist goods shops on this side of the street. I don't need to show you all of them because they all sell the same sort of thing. A nice collection of ladies' dresses here just before we take you in Queen Evil. Some ladies' dresses all along there. Some nice ones here as well. Some for kids as well. This is Queen Evil. Just show you inside Queen Evil. That's the at-home decor stuff. Some nice stuff inside of there. Legian Cuta. Nice. It's all there at Queen Evil. I'm going to continue along the street now. And then next is my favourite restaurant on this street, which is the local 80361. So super, super busy in there. All the customers in there. Wow, it's always busy, this restaurant. Super, super busy in there. Both sides I think will be full. Yeah, both sides full. It's the local 80361. That's the name. How are you? Just going to cut across on the other side now. We have the Surawathi Hotel and Villas. I have featured this in a video. She'll have the link in the description for you. I'm happy with Rung as well here. Happy breakfast, lunch and dinner. Our event, romantic dinner, birthday party, cooking class. There it is, some gelato ice cream as well. Seating there.
Wait, where did it go?
So the Surawathi is in the back there. Bonito Spa as well. Lots of tourist goods shops here. Some nice hats, caps here. New Era. Some of the teams. Okay, yeah? Some of the different teams there. Nice collection of caps. Sandals, sports shirts. Lots and lots of goods available here. We're going to head across on the other side. We have Golden Ink Tattoo Studio there. Another shop there selling handbags and things. We have Robbie Bali Ink here. Let's go and just show you the names. So there it is, Golden Ink Tattoo. Customers inside having a tattoo there. Another handbags, watches shop here. Some nice watches in the boxes there. And in there. This is called Robbie Bali Ink Tattoo Studio. How are you, brother? We have Lovely Spa here. Massage spa. It's okay. Go down the gang. Oh, he wants me to go down the gang. So he says cheap price. Oh, we have a Ferrari hat there, Raiders, some bracelets and things. A nice collection of sunglasses and things here as well. Some sandals. Lots of the handbags again here. Many. Wow, all down the side there.
Small gun, big price.
So if you want a cheap price, come and see this man here down this little side alley.
It's big price.
Is this a good price?
Yes, big price.
Cheap price. So cheap price on all of that. And that's just next to Lovely Spa. Thank you, brother. Lots of stuff in there. And we have a motorbike. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, we're just waiting now. The tourists coming through on the street. Bluebird taxi. We have Blue Moon over here. Blue Moon. Oh, not so busy in there this evening. How are you, brother? You good? And just continuing on. We have the Tandi Bayang. Again, this is another hotel accommodation that I have featured in a video. Shall have the link in the description for that one for you. Have Emily Spa next door to the Tandi Bayang. Just show you inside. They do have a restaurant as well in here. Emily Spa here. Let's go and say hello to the girls at Emily Spa. Hello, Emily Spa. How are you? Whee! What about this one?
Hello.
That's all there at Emily Spa. Nice, friendly staff. We have another accommodation just to my left here now. This is the Legian Village Hotel. Legian Village Hotel. It's just down there. An Indo-Bat pharmacy. Hello! Woo! More tourist goods shops again here. Handbags, sunglasses, all of the stuff that we've already seen along the street. More in there as well. Another massage spa. Woo! Another massage spa there. Not everybody wants to be on the camera, unfortunately. We have Ambiente Spa and Wellness. Hello, how are you, brother? The drivers seem to be saying hello. Ooh. We have Bamboo Spa here. Some customers inside of there. Quite a few motorbikes, but not very many people. Shop here again. And then here we are now on the street of Jalan Padma. Legian Village Hotel again there. This will lead you up to Jalan Legian. This will lead you down to Padma Beach. Okay, so that concludes tonight's video. My street stroll here in Legian along the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, a few hotel accommodation options along the street here. I think I have featured all of them along this street in videos. She'll have the link in the description for all of those for you. If you want interested in staying in this area and want to take a look at those. Quite a few restaurants, bars also. Most notably on this street for me is the local 80361. That's another restaurant I have actually featured in a video also, so it's exceptionally good food. You've also got the nightlife options as well of the Legend, Rosemary's Bar and Restaurant that was closed this evening. A few other restaurants also on the street. Lots of tourist goods shopping, massage and spa, tattoo studios, lots going on the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.